Welcome back to my channel. In this video tutorial I'll show you how to fix Librarian tidy up the Arcane Library game crashing, not opening, not launching, stuck on loading screen, not loading, lagging, freezing, black screen or several other issues on PC. So let's go through the methods. Well, the very first thing what you need to do is to restart your PC. For that, click on Windows icon, click on power and then select restart. This will restart your PC. Once your PC restarts, launch the game and check. If not, next method is to check your graphics card or update your graphics card. So for that, go to the search option, search for device manager. Now expand display adapter, select your graphics card, right click on it, click on update driver and then click on search automatically for drivers. So this will check and update your graphics card. Once it is done, now launch the game and check. NVIDIA and AMD users, go through the link already provided in the description and you can easily update your graphics card from there. Next method is to run the game as admin. So for that, go to Steam, under library section, select your game. Here I am showing you an example. Now right click on it, click on manage, now click on browse local files. This will take you to the game folder where your game has been installed. Select the game application, right click on it, click on properties, click on compatibility and here select run this program as an administrator, click on apply and OK, and after that launch the game and check. If this doesn't work, come back again, select run this program in compatibility mode for select Windows 8 or Windows 7, hit on apply and OK, and after that launch the game and check. If this also doesn't work, come back again, select disable full screen optimizations, hit on apply and OK, and now try to launch the game and check if you can play it. But if the issue still continues, come back again, uncheck all of these, hit on apply and OK, and move to the next method. Well, the next method is to modify launch option. So for that, go to Steam, select your game, under library section, right click on it, click on properties. Under general, here you have to type -dx11 and then try to launch the game and check if it's working. If this doesn't work, come back again, type -dx12 and then try to launch the game and check if this helps to fix the issue. If this also doesn't resolve the problem, come back again, uncheck remove the launch option and move to the next method. Well, the next method is to allow the game through firewall. For that, go to the search option, search for Windows security. After that, click on firewall network protection, click on allow an app through firewall, click on change settings. After that, here you have to search for the game if it's listed. If you cannot find the game, you have to click on allow another app, click on browse. After that, go to the game folder, select the application, add it to the list over here. Now after adding it, select the game, make sure both private and public boxes are ticked and then click on OK. Finally launch the game and check if it's working now. If not, next is to verify integrity of game files. For that, go to Steam, select your game, under library section, right click on it, click on properties, click on install files and then click on verify integrity of game files. So once you have done this, or after the game files are verified, now try to launch the game. Update Windows. For that, go to this Windows search for settings. After that, click on Windows Update and then click on check for update. So this will check and update your Windows to the latest version. After that, try to launch the game and check if it's working now. Next is to install Visual C++ files. So for that, I have already provided the link in the description. Just copy and paste it in a browser. Once the website opens, go below. From here you have to click on the link to download. Once it is downloaded, you have to open it. You will get repair or install option. Whatever option you get, click on it, click on yes, wait for some time. After you get set up successful message, close this. After that, restart your PC. Once your PC restarts, log into the game and check. Next is to disable in-game overlays. So Steam users, go to Steam, click on Steam option, click on settings. After that, click on in-game and here you can see enable the Steam overlay while in-game option. If it is enabled, you have to click on it to disable it. Once you disable this, launch the game and check. Next is to run the game on dedicated graphics card. For that, go to the search option, search for graphics settings. After that, here you have to add your game to the list. So for that, click on add a desktop app. After that, go to the game folder, select the application, add it to the list over here. Now once the game is added over here, you have to select the game, click on the arrow icon and under GPU preference you have to select high performance. Once you have done this, now try to launch the game and check. But if the issue still continues and you cannot play the game, then it's suggested to reinstall the game once. For that, go to Steam, select your game, under library section, right click on it, click on manage, now click on uninstall, finally click on uninstall option. This will completely remove the game from your PC. After that, restart your PC. Once your PC restarts, again launch Steam and finally reinstall Librarian, tidy up the Arcane Library game once again and then click on the play button to check if it's working now. So these are few suggested solutions to fix Librarian, tidy up the Arcane Library game crashing at startup, stuck on loading screen, not loading, not launching, not opening, lagging, freezing, black screen or several other issues on PC. So that's all for now in this video. Thank you.